Okay, so before I show you how to actually use title tags and description to optimize your video as well, to boost them, to boost the rankings, to get higher views, to build your channels quickly and stuff like that, I want to tell you a little bit more about why titles, tags, and description matter and why they are so important and why you want to pay close attention to titles, tags, and description. So first off, let's start with a title. And what I found to work the best for me is to have short and sweet titles. So because when you have a long title with extra fluff stuff, people, when they see long titles, their brain will be like, okay, don't pay attention to this, I don't have time for this, and they will just skip the video. But when they see a short and sweet title telling them specifically what that video is about, just a short title, they will be more likely to click on it and spend their time on your video. And you want to have a keyword, because because title is very important to rank your video higher. So you want to have a keyword related to your niche in your video title. So if you're making a video about how to work from home, like in this case, you will have a keyword right here, work from home. If you're making a video about some sports, you will have like football in the title, in the title as a keyword. So whatever niche you're in, just put the keyword right here, and that will boost your rankings. So, and then when it comes to description, so this is a very important thing. Description can actually be more powerful than the tags when it comes to ranking and when it comes to making a video go viral. So I will show you actually how to optimize the description well to make it go viral. But you want to pay close attention to the description. And here's a cool trick that you can use, and this is something that you probably see me using on my main channel. And that is when you have a title right here, you will copy the title and you will paste it at the top of your description right here, and that will actually, when someone searches for this keyword, your video is more likely to come up first. So because the algorithm will see you have that keyword in the title, and then you have it immediately in your description, and then you will have the same keyword in your tags. And tags can be very powerful to boost your videos, and I will show you how to actually optimize tags well, and I will give you some free tools for that. So we're gonna be doing that in probably the next module, but as you can see, titles, tags, and description really matter, and they can really boost your video, and they can really bring you more views. So you want to pay close attention to titles, so keep them short and sweet. Pay attention to description. I will show you how to optimize it, and then I will give you free tools for tags.